Alright guys, so today is the day that this car is no longer naturally aspirated. It will be getting forced induction from a TD04. And yeah, this is the process. Oh, and this 3-inch exhaust, 3-inch downpipe to a full 3-inch exhaust with a high flow high flow muffler and a resonator at the tip. All right, with that being said, I have majority of the car taken apart. I have the intake system out, and I have all my bolts on my headers loose. And I have the catalytic converter detached from my old exhaust, my old catback. I'm actually probably going to sell it. So if you're in the GTA area or in Ontario, my whole exhaust system is probably going to be available real soon. Anyways, I guess the first step is get these headers out. I also took out my wideband, but yeah, other than that, this is ready to go. I'm going to smash it out with my impact. They're already loosened, so I'm not worried about any of them. And yeah, I'm gonna have to put the tripod up. All right guys, time to remove all these bolts. Like I said, they're already loose, so time to remove the manifold. All right. The headers, whatever the fuck I'm not going. Oh. Oh, of course. Just what I wanted to see. Uno. I bet you all of them are fucking like this, honestly. Alright, so all the bolts are off. Going to maneuver one little fucker out the way. Alright, that's that. Let's see. So, all that's off. Get these guys off here. Alright. There we go. I have replacements for these, so don't have to worry. This does not look like the OEM ones. But yeah, it doesn't look too bad. A little bit of build up. That's alright. So I just wiped down all that. And now I am going to put this bugger on. Pretty sure it goes on this way. I know the one that's floppy goes on first. Cool. Now, my main issue is I have to bend the hard coolant line. So, I'm a little cautious about doing that, to be honest. So, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to get my manifold on. So, I'm just taking out the thinner layer, which goes on like this. Now I bought these straight from Mazda because it's better safe than sorry, especially when it comes to something like turbo. All right, time for the manifold. I'm gonna do a clean on this manifold real quick. All right, now I'm gonna put the manifold on. Alright guys, so the manifold's on. That sucked. Huge pain in the ass to do. But now we're going in for the turbo. Now this is the first time, personally, I've seen this up. But here we go. Boom. Boosted life. I saw, dudes. I saw. That's gonna be royally in the way. Significantly in the way. So that's obviously gonna have to be cut. It's actually really close to not hitting it at all. But once it goes, yeah, it's gonna hit once it goes all the way down. I'll show you actually. So I don't know if you can see all that, but as soon as I bring it, right there is where it hits, just before it clicks. So I'm just gonna go and cut that down, just because weight reduction and rather be safe than sorry. So you guys can see how close it is. Yeah, very, very, very close. And that's how much lower it needs to go. So that needs to be cut, but I already knew about that, so no big deal, but turbo's on. Choo choo with the inner fooler that's not welded up yet, but whatever. That's all I wanted to see today. Holy, what a pain. Those are bitch to do. But now I'm going to have to, if you guys can see that, I have to fit a 3-inch downpipe through there somehow. And obviously that's going to be a huge struggle. So first step, hardline's going to have to move, or something's going to have to move around here. And I got to cut pretty much this whole area out. Fun, right? Yeah. As you can see, I have my high pressure oil feed to AN, or -4 AN, and then there's the other oil feed right there on the top. It's not perfect, but it'll be fine. And yeah. Perfect. And I'll set it right about there. It's not horrible, but could be worse. That's for sure. Yeah, I kind of like it. These I'm gonna have to splice in like this and like that. No big deal. But other than that, yeah, then I have my oil drain right there. That should be fine. I should have the right bung for that, hopefully somewhere in here. Should. Yeah, okay, well, on to the next step.